Revelations upon revelations and eba senior citizen by Kai said ram me blogging ma Kumasi Asante Kotoko RTU game no fake ticket selling a course no NSF bi ho aka Kotoko e the warning aba Kotoko issue strong warning and a Kotoko pursue NSA den say massa asem ni kwanse e da so e ho asem wo ha me de bro e wo fia say den Black Stars South Africa ye ko campaign no and also revelation bi ba monten amanfo pese o mu yi hye papa o the screen ni so e sa na tie anase nye sa na tie ni nyina kambo ma e na ya tena se ye de bro o fia mpacho wa ha ye super 24 TV unsubscribe ya wadaroma no ahete the subscriber tab no so ama me no wabo adoma no so na ye di kasubom together obetima follow social media handle no so super 24 TV on Facebook and Instagram Kumasi Blogman na me follow back then nan komono atwa so ewo ho medase otumfo nyankopon insha boxing day boxing bibi na fama odofo. Now into the stories. What I say enra Kotoko game against RTU after report babon say Kotoko tickets ni bi aton na fake ne NSC for no need akoye communication team member of Kumasi Asante Kotoko or the Japan NMA NSC for no anope sorry no cultural way Kumasi Asante Kotoko release statement in fact but my main kind need a statement no post no in the Facebook. I say please, we are still waiting for the report on your employees who were caught selling fake tickets when Kotoko played RTU, especially your regional Admi, regional administrator of NSA, and I pointed fingers at him. No, we are waiting for the report, and only in Sema need a communication team member of Kotoko. Let's take note. And we are no Kotoko. This statement we a very strong worded one, simple and concise. Was a club statement. The management of Asante Kotoko wishes to inform the sporting public and its indispensable supporters that the club is in constant contact with the Ghana Police Asokwa Service Police Division Unit regarding the unauthorized sales of fake tickets by the NSA officials. First paragraph no Kotoko aja tum say NSA for and a fake ticket. That one has been established on authorized sale of fake ticket by NSA officials. And a Kotoko Chirimu say, we would like to reiterate that we are bent on finding the finality to this issue in the quest to end the decades of long cycle. Kotoko we are semnika. Ena Kumasi Asante Kotoko ajiatum say NSC for ne sell fake ticket. Now go to the finality of this particular matter. In other stories, I want to put on record that the decision to camp in South Africa is the sole decision of the coach Chris Hilton. He made a proposal to the FA and we approved it through the youth and sports military. The decision to camp in South Africa wasn't taken by Kotoko, but the head coach of the team. They say no, obi yase coach ne say coach no ena ka so mo South Africa na coach so mo South Africa mo mpanyifo no sa nyansa nim a muntimi nka nkyɛnse nyansa nim PK Sapon oye top MPP member and ono nso e de abeto so GFA wanted to camp the team in Benin or Togo, but the coach said no, he prefers South Africa. So the narrative as I say in Elkono is going against the coach. There's a coach in the castle of South Africa. Now me buso etie for more than one farm commenting bra. Coach of South Africa na South Africa moa. Won't make a jazzy coach yenye campaign or here. Utu for dango po mi enti ase.